Do you ever take a photo and the colors look wrong? Maybe the picture is too dark or has a wired orange tint. This can easily happen with old photos or when you take pictures in bad lighting. And it is frustrating when your photos don't look as good as you want them to. But if you are using Photoshop, then there is a cool new way to fix these color problems quickly. Photoshop has a feature powered by AI, and it's called Colorize Neural Filter. And it is simple to use. So open your photo in Photoshop. Then go to the filter menu at the top of the screen and choose Neural Filters. This opens a new sidebar on the right side of the screen. Here you get a list of the latest neural filters. If you have never used them, you will see a cloud icon next to most of them. This means you need to download the filter from the Adobe Cloud. As you can see from the screen, I have already downloaded all of these files. So, to fix a color on the photo, look for Colorize and turn it on. So, now it's time to play with the photo. First, when you check the box labeled Auto Color Image, it allows the AI to automatically choose the appropriate colors for that photo. In my opinion, it's not good. It can change the entire vibe of the photo. Just take a look at the photo of a woman in a red dress walking in the forest. The photo shines with a red color, but when I check the box and let the AI work, the result is mediocre. It entirely loses the red vibe, so it's better not to let AI work automatically here. However, a good option is to try some of the color presets found under the profile section. Just click on some profiles and test if the photo is looking better. For this photo, I like the retro high contrast color profile. But if you don't like any of these profiles, just play with sliders to fix the color issues you have with the photo. And after you're satisfied, simply select if you want to make a new layer from this modified image or replace the current one. This is up to you. As you can see, this is one of the most simplest ways to fix color problems in your photo. Give this method a try and see how you can make your photos shine brighter than ever before. And if you like this Photoshop tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for similar videos like this one.